Juyth Baker was once a promising science student who dreamed of finding a cure for cancer. This expose is an account of how she strayed from a path of mainstream scholarship at the University of Florida to a life of espionage in New Orleans with Lee Harvey Oswald. In her narrative, she offers extensive documentation on how she came to be a cancer expert at such a young age, the personalities who urged her to relocate to New Orleans, and what led to her involvement in the development of a biological weapon that Oswald was to smuggle into Cuba to eliminate Fidel Castro. Details on what she knew of Kennedy's impending assassination, her conversations with Oswald as late as 2 days before the killing, and her belief that Oswald was a deep-cover intelligence agent who was framed for an assassination he was actually trying to prevent, are also revealed. Me and Lee by Juyth Baker. Special JFK 50th Anniversary Signed Limited Edition. $30 including shipping. Limited number of these available. Every order also gets a free Truth Frequency Radio bumper sticker and some federaljack.com business cards. Order your copy today at federaljack.com/store.